Teach them the love for soul. Them boy the cool. I try set way up, forget some money and gold. Them a beat for soul. Fire for them soul. We can't do them nothing true with the pan. Teach them we shot for soul. Them boy the cool. I try set way up, forget to guns and we gold. Some big for soul. Fire for them soul. We must kill them off a door with the pamperol. Them a sick through them all know we secret. And a plan figure station and go leak it. If them know where the stash, then them would have thief it. But I through them can't find where teach them keep it now. The faster them a move like snake. And from long time we pick up the rake. Can enough of them a smile and them smile look fake. Teach them the so cool to him you them say.
I am here vibing one of the most incognito members of Jamaica's dancehall industry. A man whose catalogue will surprise many. His parents named him Franklin Williams, but we know him as
Frankie Sly, genuine ballad that over the eye.
Father Frank.
Blessed teacher.
All is well, sir?
Most things.
Give thanks, man.
Most things.
Give thanks. You man look young.
Yeah, man, they both so long.
Group Alice Frankie Sly.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Virgin, we know that would say forever young, you know?
Forever young.
Yeah,
True.
Teach them, not give a damn if them hate we. After we not two want them first soul rate we. Things that we are fool for make some idiot come bait we. Right now our money we are make and go through. Tell them say and not no big if them hate we. Cause we not press for them first soul rate we. Mood I want even couple rich girl come date we. Teach them and make chop.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father Sly.
Yes, I.
Say all is well, sir.
Yes, I. Most things.
We say it's a joy if you sit down and we will reason with the one, sir.
Yeah, man. And as a fan of the program, it's a joy too, you know?
We appreciate the support, you know?
Yeah, man.
In
yeah,
a real
man.
life.
Do something good, it'll reach.
It'll reach.
It'll reach.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah, man, it'll reach.
Yeah, man. Talk to us, though. Early life. Place of birth.
East Kingston. Place named Franklin Town, where them call
Dunkirk.
Yeah, grew up at East. Neighbor string cut out there. Rockfort, all about, you know? Yeah. My place. Jesse City, Scheme, Nazareth Road, name it. Our place as a little youth.
Yes.
Them place I run up and down and learn for DJ as youth and sound system and everything. You see it?
How many brothers and sisters, though?
Total, from both sides, 13 away.
13.
So 12 brothers and sisters.
All of them still around?
No. 10 away alive, so 3 deceased.
Okay. I know that you came here to lay your father to rest.
Yes, I.
My condolences.
Yeah, man, respect for that.
The old lady still around?
Yeah, man, she did it. She kind of little shaky right now because her life partner gone, but no me I said them together almost 60 years.
Wow.
But I saw it go, you know.
She
It's a road that we all
fighting.
have to chad, you know. Yeah, man, we all have to chad that road there one day, so they are trying to give her back some strength, you know.
Makes sense, brother. I hope she go and fight it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Where did they attend school, though?
Well, we not do it all age. And then basic, start at 111. I look at, I don't know if you know the Pentecostal church out at Winner Road.
Probably
111, yeah.
enough time,
I look at
but
basic school, but everything really start at Winner Road all age. And that's everything set, you know? Yeah, man. And then common entrance. We got Wolmer's, you know?
Wolmer's?
Yeah? Yeah, man.
No bad, man.
No, sir.
What type of youth were you in school, though?
Me, I want to troublemaker them, you know. Yeah, man, but we could have do things still.
Yeah, because you passed one entrance to Wolmer's.
Yeah, man, from when I do school them time, I want to tell you that year there, I was the only one to pass for Wolmer's a year there. From when I do school.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. One and only. Some girls went to Wolmer's girls, but Wolmer's boy was only me, I was the only one that year. I say, top of my class.
Top of your class.
Yeah, man. Can I say that proudly?
You actually graduated from Wolmer's?
No, I never graduated, you know.
Or go and do another part there?
As I said, them time, the music is so much in a way. And here comes the time when I'm there around 4th farm, 3rd farm, 4th farm. It was just, because I start DJ on sound system, you know, as a youth, you know, because I graduated from the 80s.
From the Wolmer's?
Yeah, man. At Wolmer's, everything start. Yeah, man, Wolmer's, everything start. Cause we used to have a virgin come from Spanish Town named Jason Brady. And he usually bring some creation cassette come to school.
Papa Son?
Yeah, man. I was my first influence that son. That's even when we come up in the thing and I get a chance to meet son. Yeah, man, it was an honor.
So Son was your real first musical influence?
Yeah, man, a 2 DJ influenced me. Papa Son and the late great early be the doctor.
Doctor?
Yeah, man, doctor was one of my all-time favorite. Among others, but at them two there.
You know what I think
that's something I'm want to do. So me I say, so here was a time, no care how me that do good in a school, I just music. So you find out, say, mother dey on the truck back, I got dance and enough time come in, you can't come in the yard, because my father never want me to do that. My father was a man who believe in education. The man never go turn a DJ thing, at the time they look like DJ thing is that thing where some people used to look down upon, you know. In my time I come up, you know. Yeah man. So my old man did want to see me graduate, because I know the potential I did have. The man I think lawyer, doctor, pilot. But it wasn't to be, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah man, so
which sound were you milling around at that time though?
Alright. I start out with a little sound up in a Rockfort in the name, Electrophonic. Yeah. A man name is Dan, my virgin chatter theme father sound. Man, I use name Skitter Rankin. We used to block up the yard every Friday night. Rockfort people can tell about that. You see me I say, till we move on to a sound over Richmond Park, a sound name. A youth from Rockfort Carrigo introduced us to a brother named Big John.
That a youth high power?
Yeah, youth high power.
So, quality text not come before youth high power?
No, not really. Alright, you see quality, I never work on quality, you know, but my virgin Skitty Rankin used to work on quality.
Okay.
My virgin name Skitty Rankin, I made me support.
Right.
See, so he used to work on quality. So I pass through quality, but I never really work on quality. But my DJ no freelance on quality.
Okay.
But youth high power was the first sound I get for work on when I know say I get paid.
And for the youth people that youth high power and youth man promotion are
two different sound. Yeah man. Alright, you see youth high power was me, Skitty Rankin, a youth named Slim John, a DJ youth, Conroy Smith, and Wayne Wonder. And that's some I meet Wayne Wonder. Yeah man, from them time I Wayne apart.
And it's still a school them time, yeah?
Yeah man, as a little youth.
Yeah.
So that's how the thing started, me and Wayne, but after youth high power, we lose touch. I never see Wayne for a minute.
So how long were you around youth high power for though?
Probably 1 year and a half, 2 years. Because I hear the problem with youth high power. There's a Big John, the owner for the sound. No key out the dance, ram and dance nice. So in pay time, some always go wrong. Some always, so the money never right yet. If you talk to Wayne, they're going to tell you the same thing.
I want to do that one of them there.
Yeah man. That shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, big glad to hear that too.
Yeah, that
so you say Big John, nah, sit down.
Big John, nah, sit
no
down. He's sit down, but he's not sit down, waiting for sit down, put it like that.
Yeah, so that was your first actual paying gig?
Yeah, first actual paying gig. Youth high power. Yeah, man. And it was a good experience, because I say, whole heap of country date, man. Even around town, because I remember one night, we'd have a big dance with Imperial. In a land, in a Bambaland or a Cockburn pen. Them shot we have early in the night still. We see them Junior Cat them and yeah, them time the ninja man name Double Ugly. Yeah.
So Ninja and Junior
Cat them and Marlon Brenda them.
You wanna get locked off it too?
From earlier. It was technical difficulties why we lock off from early still.
Okay.
Them I feed them place and them more dominant and
because they have more experience at the time and then something
yeah, man. I want to tell you, I witnessed something on the dance there. Never forget it. Them time that early be at the man. And still a dance there. Never forget it. Ninja man a DJ and a shell the place. As I said, Double Ugly. Shell. I never know say doctor in a dance. And I don't know if forward them get to him. Him just stop it and say, hold on. And I say, Ruben was my girl. And the doctor took her Ruben from I. And all the Ruben man I go, all the science I work, I couldn't get back Ruben. Look like the doctor got better Ruben man than me. And I just see the crowd part.
Early be a forward.
I see the doctor walk through the little short man. Wet him up with the mannequin.
Wet up Ninja man?
Wet him up. Let me tell my doctor the man.
Wet
him up. And take the mic from him. Don't disrespect. Ruben is my wife. Yeah man, history. Yeah man. And Joe Lickshot take the mic. And you know Joe Lickshot, the man say, a war, Gaga no war Joe Lickshot. But him couldn't war Early B. At that time, Early was the man. Come say them time them name Ninja Man yet. Yeah man, history man.
And then time the Early be a par with Super cat.
Yeah, man. Them time early be at the man and them a lock Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jar them kind of. Yeah, man. Alright, so you do the thing. Early, put touch early be that kind of.
Yeah, man. Good experience, good memory.
Good memories, man. Yeah, man.
So why you leave, apart from the money thing though, with what you say there, Big John?
Yeah.
Big John. That's the only reason why you leave, end up left?
No, not really, you know.
You power?
No, you are going. It never there pen out. And you have to move on. Studio thing come in now.
Okay.
Every man here must start record. So you want to start record. Now keep it up on sound, I got country, dance. The key to the game that change. You see me I say, the late 80s, you realize you have to start record.
Over, you know.
So that was the key for for start record. So me I say the first man came to studio, you know, was Poddy Roots.
Poddy Roots?
See him Poddy Roots, so I say, yeah.
And I realize.
Rockfort him come from, man.
You know what I easy
man, carry me a skitter around. Cause see we are too lucky we are shell out there. I'm carrying got RJ.
Nice, man.
Yeah, man, we never get for record, but at the first man make me see in our studio, look. Yeah, man, see him Poddy.
But you never record that time though?
No, I never record that time. Like.
Why?
Him carry away. Anything could happen, but it never happened. Put it like that.
I know them ways.
Yeah,
man. Know them ways.
So, but the experience was still good for now, so we get to sit in our studio, look.
Yeah.
You see me, I say?
So after you left Youth High Power, you did work with any other sound, or you just look the studio break?
Them time we just start go studio, man, because you're the studio thing coming now. You'd have a fit one night up at Dunoon, one Saturday night. And we never say we in for a minute after we left.
Youth?
Yeah. We in a mash out place and I didn't even know, because time I remember one song for the taxi. But I'll do anything for you. 2 songs as a matter of fact. I have the fast car too.
You got a fast car.
So anyway, Feta go on a Dunoon night then. Me and my little crew so we are go up there car. You know, you look a virgin on my boats here. So we are gonna shell it. Go up there the night and do my little thing and shell it. I'm gonna say we are up there the night. With film like a crew, them time him and Nada Ranks and Fretty, rapper Fretty. Yeah, him and Fretty are part of the night. But now I do my thing and him see me and him say, oh that General Frankie. I said,
Mr. Sly.
Yeah, he was a General Frankie. And I say, yeah man, I'm more like good vibes. And I say, yo, penthouse me there, come check me up a penthouse, man. So that was like my ticket.
Before we take on the penthouse part, I think. General Frankie, we know Franklin.
Yeah.
Who started calling you so though?
Start calling me General Frankie?
Yeah.
That was just a name where we take on, because you have a name, and them time it was General or Rankin. My version of that part with them, Skitty Rankin. Yeah, so me was General Frankie at the time.
So General Frankie was the name earlier.
Originally. Yeah.
So you buck up in a Wayne now. Wayne get a name now because when you guys were at Youth High Power, Wayne never have no name at the time either.
No, never.
You try to look it too. So Wayne kind of boss now. Because the truth is that in that local time there, around Penthouse, Madhouse, Wayne was probably the first man to make a name.
Wayne are the first superstar amongst all of it.
So that again.
The first superstar out of Penthouse, Wayne Wonder.
And we are talking about cutting ranks, Buju, berries.
I say, listen me. Let me say it again. Looking at the camera and say, Wayne Wonder are the first superstar out of Penthouse. Now, Barry Salmon, Marcia Griffiths, them, Jermaine work with them artists.
Right, okay.
But them artists was already established artists. And them, but Penthouse, when the both them just put up, him and Dave Kelly alone used to in there. Alright. Yeah, man.
So him say come cross a Penthouse, yeah, man, Sly Road settings.
Yeah. So you know that was the Saturday was the barbecue. So you know Monday morning, bright and early, I jump on a bus and I'm up there. Reach a big gate, 56 Life Road. You know a problem for go through that gate.
Yeah, man, because you don't know name it.
No name, but don't know me. So, reach there, a brother there at the gate named Bunny, you know? Bunny at the gate, and I say, yo, we know that. So I'm saying, go call Wayne, come out on the top step. I say, yeah, man, General Frankie, let him in. Yeah, man. So, everything changed from that day there.
Everything changed from that day
there.
Because,
real talk.
Because the change. Before that, whilst do the music still, the word on the street is that General Frankie at the time, it kind of, badness to brother. True or false?
Some sort of way.
Some sort of ways.
Because, hear me I say, you see where we go? You see where we go, or how we go? is a part of nature. It's either, yeah man, cause you know the
Dunkirk, South, all of them
yeah
places.
man, Rockfort, everywhere. We not do it on a hole, you name it.
So they're around you?
They're around you, so it's either you're involved or that's why I say no matter what, I have to give you one the respect. Cause I see that day there, my life changed. Cause I used to go up the road every night and anything goes. I could have lose my 3 points in the whole thing to come. And many times I say that. Many times I face death. I cheat death more than one time. Yeah man, real talk. So my 2 brothers them follow me.
Yeah.
My 2 brothers them follow me immediately behind me. 2 of them deceased. Gunshot.
I'm going to pick up on that later because I have something else to ask about that.
Yeah man.
See? So now, penthouse settings.
Yeah.
Step in, we kind of open the doors them and you have to walk one. You never record immediately.
No man, it no work so. You have to go there go learn. You have to go there go city, you have to go warm the bench, you know? You know the thing, you know the ball game go.
Yeah,
you have to go warm the bench.
Yeah. Who are some of the people that you go, oh you said Nado?
Yeah, when I go there, you know, we and Nado apart and Freddie, they there every day.
Rebel was there at the time?
Yeah, Tone Rebel did there.
And cut your hands.
But Rebel never even the boss yet, you know.
Rebel never bossed
No,
at the
Rebel
time.
never boss yet, you know. Cutty.
Cutty was there.
Yeah, Cutty never boss yet neither, you know. But in that bubble. Yeah, in that bubble. Because I know when the bomber, the whole of them tune that go boss him vice. A matter of fact, Wayne Wonder is the man where make Cutty come up penthouse.
Yes.
Because Wayne used to sing for Metro Media. And Cutty and mash up over Metro Media night time. Kill a ninja man over there one night over there, you know.
Me hear about it.
Alright, and Wayne I say, yo, why look us tune up a slide with penthouse, come check me up there, so. So we had instrumental in a Cutty.
Enough things we ain't about here. But we're not even done talking still because we're not reach out.
Yeah man, whole party. Yeah man.
So, bench settings, warmings.
Yeah man, warm the bench and dead there for a minute. I never do no only record in a penthouse neither. Because yeah man, it's a Jermaine. The other one, Jermaine, is a big top producer, but he's a man and a really in a DJ, you know. Singers are him thing. Nana McLean. Marcia Griffith, that's a fame thing there. And Dave Kelly come change that thing there.
Rude Boy Kelly.
Rude Boy, the first song that me record at Penthouse, Rude Boy Kelly label it come out.
What the title of that song?
A song named Carbine for Blow.
Carbine for Blow. Carbine for Blow, the song name.
First song that me record at Penthouse.
Remind me a piece of that song, man.
So from Carbine for Blow, man, that have to dust blow, but no boy now come down me up and try run me show. Petrol for blow, well left for dust blow, but me no boy are not done for me are not done for no man. Every youth from Painland, sit down for no M1, and no 1 and no 2. Every youth from Seaview, who na boss a kill ever sit down for no M2.
Man.
Yeah. You know, Jeremy never really hit them some of them.
I
a film type of thing, but he did release it still, but on Rude Boy Kelly.
Okay, so Dave.
Yeah.
Dave push it out.
Yeah, no, I want Jeremy and really put it out, you know. But him now put it on him prestigious penthouse label. Rude Boy Kelly label, yeah man.
That song they get any love in the streets?
No, not to all that.
Not to all that.
Not to all that.
But you never get daunted by that.
No sir, you have to keep doing the thing, you know. You have to keep doing the thing. The first song we really get some love in the street for I was...
Oh, that's your face?
No. Grab It Up.
Grab It Up, Punani.
John.
Yeah. Oh, that song that come board though.
All right. We in again. Yeah. I forgive him flowers. He might got a voice for John the day. And he tell me from the day before, so yo, I have a voice for John tomorrow. You know? So, carry over there. Carry me go over John the day and him record and take up the whole I track them. Because you know, him sing, dedicating this one to my faith. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
One,
that
yeah,
man.
Then, all right. One track left. See, so when him done, him I tell John, say, yo, look at the AJ, you know, here we have to say, no. So John, I said, go around, you know, here we are, say. And you go around the nervous and, yeah. Start a vibe tune. So girl, grab it up, grab it one again. Grab it 10. One take.
One go.
But, yeah, man, but I just hear me, I make him hear it.
Yeah, so, practice.
Yeah, so when we done, him I say, come around.
Tune
so me I say, I can make you hear something, I can't tell me I have enough lyrics. I said, no, come on. I'm starting. I said, tune done. I said, tune done. I said, yeah, man. What me I gonna do?
Man,
me know I could do it better, you know. But I said, the tune done. I could just work with it. Next thing me here to road and tune start get some rotation in the dance hall. Remember them time?
Because whole heap of big tune upon the rhythm there.
Whole heap of big tune, no?
Killer, New Gun, and
New
whole
gun
heap of people.
picture. Yeah, man, and Terror Fabulous.
We
And
ain't
she
want
not
that.
go in your face, so you have it, man.
Ever looking good.
And then they end up put
yeah,
Sprag up on the
so-
way on the tune too. Yeah, me turn that to a
yes,
combination
yes,
too.
yes.
Yeah, man, and yeah, man, go on good. Go on, rhythm go on good.
So Grab It Up was the first tune where...
Yeah, when I go a dance and hear it play and
Yes,
yeah,
I
when
mean
I
that.
know so I can hear myself in a rotation. Yeah. Yeah, that song they did
So at
well
this
for me.
point, you must start taking things on a serious level. You know,
Definitely,
brother?
man. Definitely. So, me end up carrying me go link. We Pow now.
Ah,
Father Pow.
yes.
Cardi
Ride, that's a 666.
666 at the mark of the base. Yeah.
So when go down to the voice, dub or him go record?
How would they go on the day? I don't even remember because I never did on the rhythm, but
Oh.
him carry me around, I go make sure so I get on it. Yeah. Cardi rhythm was a big rhythm. And that song they get a whole heap of rotation too.
Yeah, that's how we ganga lead upon.
Yeah, same exact cut of ganga lead upon. Yeah, song they get a whole heap of rotation, you know?
Yeah, when I done a song them, Frankie, a long time people when see
Yeah, man.
jukebox settings, make
Yeah,
a piece
man.
of 666.
Family say 666, that are the mark of the base. Me respect Selassie, I him a fi me priest. Some a say Selassie dead, they must lick them head. Any day Selassie come, it a go Jeddah than Jed. No boy can't brand me as an Anglican fool. Man a Rasta man, when me say, can't brand me as a Catholic. If them fool you, teach them, you know them can't trick. When me say, can't tell about no Pentecostalist. We sure say, I teach them around them us. Cause some a say them us every day, but me know say them a play. Some a say them a church of God, do all of them mad. Jehovah witness, I and I in a practice. Rasta fi sly and Jah will be the witness. And me say, zig, that a the mark of the base. Can you see them time there? Me dip on the borderline, you know.
Okay, me with Gargamel at the time.
Yeah, man, me have all attention at the time. I don't even know if me have a Rasta or not.
Oh.
Because my father a Rasta man, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, when I say Rasta man, I'm a Rasta man, a real Rasta man. I'm not going to, I'm a covenant, you know. But the man that live Rasta. Rasta is not just a, not just
Yeah,
a
just a
hairstyle.
ear thing, yeah, man.
My father, the first man I highlight Buju Banton about Rastafari, man.
Yes?
Yeah, man, put him for sit down, man. I say, sit down, yes, man. I highlight about Rastafari, man. If you say Rastafari, Booga, man, I feel, leave you alone. Yeah, man, I sit down and teach him enough things, man. Father have a book named the 6th and the 7th book of Moses. And get deep in them book, man, and show him enough things. I say, yo, tell that way, yeah.
So you contemplate whether you want
Yeah, man, at that
take on
time
the
there.
Rastafari
Yeah, man,
identity.
but I'm going to go some man, things start to grow. I'm looking at the mirror. I'm never too like my sister.
Yeah, bushy
Yeah,
setting.
I don't really think I was me that.
Yes.
But-
because 666 is really and truly a conscious song.
Yeah, man.
A Rasta man then
if
sing
you
for
listen,
true.
I do a portion to even one see your face
Once
at
with
that
your
time.
face, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay, you so want to give you a piece of that.
Yeah, man. So that me do a little series of song. I me even do a song for Bobby Digital at time to him never put out to a tune.
The Revelation.
Revelation and
Me hear-
Reveal.
Alright, me hear P-side somewhere. I can't tell you what me hear.
Yeah.
And me ask her, oh, and then tell me say Frankie side.
Yeah,
Me
man,
can't- me can't
Revelation.
tell
I
you,
don't even
can't
remember the
find.
lyrics either. But just know say, Revelation and Reveal, the people them a squeal. It look like a movie and I watch for real, nothing I conceal. But me know it was another conscious song. I do a portion to conscious
How old are
song.
you at that time though, Frankie?
Them time I'm in my 20s, man.
Young youth said,
Yeah,
yeah,
man. Yeah, man. Them time I'm in mid-20s. Mid-20s. Yeah, man.
And I think conscious and positive.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
But you're not bother with the year part, I think.
No, I couldn't manage it. As me say, and everything enough for everybody.
Which is true.
Everything
Which
enough
is
for
true.
everybody, you know?
You never voice a lot for Penthouse, but once your face, a Penthouse song.
Yeah. One I said your face was pan the swing easy.
Swing is rhythm.
Yeah. Then even that song there. Me record that song there. But remember when Tony Rebel come in and I hear that song there, I mix Rookie and mix that song there the day, you know? And him come back with man for no Jah after, you know. And nobody, only God can tell me say, I don't want to say Jah face,
melody
inspire
there.
that. Cause me say, oh, I say Jah face, so me have, and him come back and say, man for no Jah. And me just, I feel more run with. But at the game,
At the game,
he might say, I'm not true, but me I tell you I was there. I remember Rookie and mix it when them come up there the day.
I mean, people inspire people, and you know, I think once your face, one of the biggest songs in the catalog.
Yeah, man. Big song.
That gets some love in the streets. So.
Yeah, man, especially Europe everywhere, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Big song. Yeah, man.
Big
Man,
a piece of
swing
that
easy.
now.
Oh, I see your face, so me have to keep the faith. My sweet Zion, me not gonna make no mistake. True, God one, me praise him for length of my days. Lend them days to travel through certain fears. Oh God, I say please take the case. I am very certain that these are the last days. Prophecy are fulfilled, some boys still a gaze. With them crooked plan and them evilous ways. All a murder man and no one get a grace. Some a eat when off eat and some a taste when off taste. Segregation, some of them a ban certain race. Boss and the managers a rape all the mates. See your face, so me have to keep the faith. Must see Zion, me not gonna make no me. Yeah, man. I am not a Christian. I know we're not covenant, but I believe in a Jah, him as the Almighty One. I read my Bible, forget inspiration. I read from Genesis back to Revelation. The New Testament, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. I read the 2 sections of Corinthian, resurrection and crucifixion. David and Goliath, Daniel and the lion. Things like those give I inspiration. The Lord is my light and my salvation. I see your face, so me.
Thank you. Yeah. What that song they mean to you though?
Alright, you see that song there? I feel like say every artist have a few of them songs in them catalog. Because Jamaica we're going to teach them. And barring everything where you say I go on. Most of it, at some point in time, you still go to church.
True.
Now keep how bad you see some man get and them turn gunman or murderer. If it's even school, every morning you know teach them devotion, you have to dead them.
True,
so the whole of we know God. You understand what I say? So them songs they're real. And at the time as I say there's a vibration of me that I feel.
And you said Off Camera is one of your favourite songs.
Yeah man, one of my favourite songs that song there. That song they're deep and it's real.
Yes.
Man.
We have paused the songs them for a while. Because I say in the intro, many people don't understand say the catalogue kinda heavy.
Yeah man,
you understand? Enough people will say a fussy and
yeah man, but I will put other tune.
We'll soon come to that. At this point in time now, Gargamel coming at the picture yet?
Yeah man, Gargamel in the picture before that man.
Before that?
Yeah man, because I want to tell, alright, it's a Gargamel coming at the picture pretty early in my career.
Oh, okay.
Meaning, even before me to grab it up.
Oh.
Even before me to grab it up. Because to be honest, you say grab it up, the punchline, Gargamel give me the punchline there.
In a real life?
In a real life, grab it up.
Like big it up.
Yeah man, yeah, grab it, him give me that punch. Me write the song,
yeah, but
him give me the, Frankie Sly, I have an idea, come on, like, him never feel that vibration at the moment. So him give me, and that's my first song I really get some.
Give thanks to Gargamel then.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah.
Because I say that's how we used to live. That's how we live at the time.
You were there from Buju just a coming at the team. What were your recollection and memory for him become a part of the Penthouse team?
No, me and Wayne want to make it up, man. And me and Wayne want to end up girls, so anything where me see you talk to other people and them tell you other things, but I'm telling you the real thing how it go. I'm telling you the real thing how it go. Alright. Yeah. Me and Wayne want to go down to Winston Riley. Techniques. And down there so we see him in the evening. And he might tell Mr. Riley say, he might go to country tonight because we don't go to country. Richie B, they have a show tonight at Clarendon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So by here we attack, he might ask Wayne if him can come. See? First time I see him, I don't know him, I don't know who him is. See? So by reason, Wayne I say, yo, Stumpy always a talk about. Because Stumpy was a little engineer at Penthouse at the time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, Stumpy always a talk about, because them time I remember like one song I go on, bad over Portmore. And Stumpy always a tell about a song like this or this don't mean a daddy feel the girl picking. And mash up all over here them time there. So we hear about it and we and I so come the familiarity come in. So we and I say, so we can't find you. I say, park lane him there. See, so them time I'm in a car. We have a little 2-door Civic we call the Poodle. See? Yeah. Thin, dark and rims and bad. Yeah, so Wayne come check me the night, and the night Wayne come check me. Could I make it happen now? Do happen. When Wayne come check me the night, him never sure where I feel if him want to go on a park lane. So he say, yo, look at DJ there, so if come pick him up a park lane, what you feel like, sir?
At the entire park lane hot?
Yeah, man, for go up there say that night, yeah. So like him put it on me. If me say, no, sir, we not go up there, so we just go on a country, but me I say, yo, you know, you always say, we not kill star, race star. And if you mess up, for say we are come. And them there wait and we don't go.
Yes.
And we and I say, for real. Alright, I could drive, go up there. Never forget it. So the night we reach Redlands Road, right before we turn a park lane, we and one that look at me and I say, Frankie, see them lane, yeah? People say we are turning them lane at night and them think of jugs we are come by a beer jug still up at them place, you know? And I say, for real? Anyway, turn and lane and we see a little youth. And I say, yo, I look at the DJ named Bojo live. And the youth I say, make the first right turn, go down another dead end. Drive, go down another dead end, and him dead end. Wait for it. Out the door, stoop down.
Ready.
Wait, ready. So imagine if we never go for him. Yeah, we go to Clarion on the night. And if I come out and let him in, because it's a two-door car. And him tall, so I have to bring my seat forward. And him there on the back there. Go down there. Whole way to the show. Him and I made the whole way. And I say, wait, oh, you call me up. I said to myself, because I never really know him.
Right.
Sometimes I say, oh, I'm to the little youth, but I'm not just chill, man, but he was so determined. And I said, wait, oh, you call me up, wait, not even me ask waiting for call me up on them big show there yet. To be honest. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And the man just...
That's him know him want, man.
Know him want. See that show there? I think 200 rebels on it. Apache Scratchy. Grinds man did up on that show there too. Wayne Wonder. Alright. I think a Grinds man for close the show. I remember if 200 rebels on it, but I remember Wayne, Grinds man, Apache Scratchy. Apache Scratchy for work after Wayne Wonder. In a real life.
Yeah.
Wayne go up there and burn him fire. Wayne stop it and I say, yo, remember look at DJ, I go call up, you know, name Bojo Bantan. I make the talk and call him up and him step up. No garment, too long step and reach up there. Take him mic and him jaw. Hear this, that mean a daddy feel the young. I know this tune. He said the man devastated. The man go jaw, girl fi beg, skin them out, pan your body yet, sink it. Over there now, good. Flat. So when them done and come off, scratch it for work.
Scratchy disappear.
No scratch it. Until this day, I don't see back scratch it. Real thing. Until this day.
And that was the impact of Bojo.
That was the impact of Bojo. Alright, remember saying, you know, we drive, go down.
Are you in the front?
Me in at the front, and him in at the back. A star was born. You see the way the people them line up for say Bojo come out of the land. And him, me just know say at the back me have to go in. Me never make nobody tell me that.
You don't take a seat on the back.
Your Wizzy I go tell you that. Yeah man, and never forget it. I look at old man there at the gate, no front teeth. Say yo G, cause we and I said that DJ I go run. GJ, look out for your next year, no GJ. Look at old man, no front teeth.
Can't talk
never
good.
forget it, can't talk good. Yeah man. We and one that bring him next day, penthouse. I said, Dave, listen to you out here. Yeah man.
That was the same year Wayne called him on a skin.
Same year, 1991. 1991. So the work. I tell you. So, regardless of anything where you hear anybody I say.
Can't no people say things, you know.
Alright, but me I
in
tell
all honesty.
Me hear all of them. Me hear all of them, but me I make you know how the real alright. As me say, everything me I say are facts. And anytime you talk to Wayne Wonder, eventually I know you will talk to him, him can verify it. If you talk to Donovan Jermaine, him can verify it. I'm tell you something. I'm going to say Jermaine is not a DJ, a singer them man they love.
Yes.
So him never really in it. Them time Jermaine they are foreign. Jermaine even their penthouse at that, Dave Kelly run penthouse because Jermaine away upon other business. So Dave just vice sometime, need no money there for put out the tune them because Jermaine they are foreign.
Yeah.
But Jermaine name was always good. So you could have always gone to Sonic Sound and say Jermaine say. See all the Ninja Turk album where Dave Kelly make with Worky and them tune there. I did it when the whole them song there make. Jeremy no did it. A phone, Dave play them the film on phone. Play and make him hear them there. And when him come, yeah man, I tell you that. So when him start a record Bojo, Jeremy wasn't even there. A phone. My witness and there him a play song for Jeremy on phone and a pay fault Jeremy I find. Pay fault. Pay fault. You want me to tell you some of the critiques them?
Yeah.
Him sound too much like Shabba. Him have to change the name, the Bojo Bantan, it sound too much like Boro Bantan. What me say? Alright. Nobody can tell me say I lie, me I tell you I was there. Yeah man. And Dave, them time there, Cutty, boss, Cutty at the man. Alright, so you don't know, so Jeremy into Cutty at the time. Jeremy I said, and Dave I said, oh, I'm telling you, I said, Cutty gone, I die out here. Him, Jeremy, Dave never pay him no mind. Dave just go and do him a do.
Oh.
Dave just go and just tune after tune after tune after tune. And everything just start to blow up. And Dave say, here we go on. When I do no show till border clash. Other than little sting.
Right.
2000.
Not local sting still. That
You know what I mean? When he walk out with me.
Yeah, man.
Alright, if you watch a show there, that sting there when Wayne call him up. Aside Wayne turn. Wayne a fair juke him in himself. I said, face the crowd.
Face the crowd. Yeah.
And me if you're DJ too. Yeah, man. Enough things, man.
There's a border clash come about it all.
Yeah,
what going on around there, sir?
It's a border clash, historic moment. At the first, cause every moment at first, cause Jermaine, them man don't go dance and stage show and them thing, you know?
Yeah.
But the work we put in, Dave I tell him says, mark this by your calendar. I said that date, yeah? More you. If you have to sleep in the day, you need for the other show, yeah. So obviously he must there. Alright. Dead of the night, them time the Tiger have the big tune. When the clock in a London name, Big Ben. 2. But Bourgeois bubble. Richie B was the MC. You know, Richie B have a style, he must say, I no need. And the whole Coney Park I said, Bojo. That's Tiger's a veteran. Spot where I go on. I say Tiger come check Louis backstage. Louis are the stage manager and I say, I want to work. No! If me not work, no, me a go no back on the money. Yeah, man. And Tiger get for go work. Leroy Smart do a little quick thing and have to come off. Grinds man a play superstar at the time. Real thing me I tell you. I'm alright.
Yeah, man.
I met Bojo go work before him. Show mash up. Done. Over the flat like this a burger on the carpet. Flat out. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The rest of history.
That
yeah,
was
man.
that.
Oh, yeah, I say, man, Jermaine gets up. I say, Jermaine hold him head. I say, I never seen nothing like this yet. Man say, Penthouse. Penthouse is good.
Yeah.
And that night, them sign Bojo. Remember me tell you that.
That night, them sign
Bojo. I said, that night there, go in behind closed door and signature put down. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Many people tell me say the biggest must ever see the dancehall still.
Yeah, man,
Bojo.
Yeah, man. No doubt about it, man. The talent was so
raw, natural, and then you have two of the best. Three of the best, because Jermaine fall in line. Right.
But a Wayne Wonder and a Dave Kelly, it couldn't go wrong. Couldn't go wrong. Trust me.
Yeah.
Couldn't go wrong.
Them time you know, man like Terry Ganzi also in a camp.
Yeah, Outlaw did it too. Good you too. Outlaw did it. Get enough stifle because of how big Bojo was. That's just the reality of it.
Because I get that story there recently.
Yeah, man,
I talk to him.
Yeah, man. See, me never see that one there. Yeah, man.
No, man, they not cover road yet, man.
Okay,
You do anything.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
then
man.
time you know, Penthouse slash. Cause Dave never break away yet.
No,
but it's still.
Yeah, man, I was Penthouse. Straight. Him never read. No, all right. The whole Madhouse thing start with the first rhythm that Dave put out was the Big It Up rhythm.
Big It Up.
You rule, you and you come first. So that was later down. Yeah, man, Jermaine have some disagreement.
Oh, there was that?
Yeah, man, them had a disagreement and him just realized Penthouse a Jermaine one.
You remember what that was about though? Because the thing is that Dave them and Tony they not do no interview about that. Jeremy they not really do no interview about that. So yeah, hear some things along the way. As a man who did it, what go on?
Alright. What go on? Alright. Originally, I wasn't there in the beginning.
Okay.
When Dave and Jeremy, because I remember say, me tell you when me forward.
Where anyone?
Yeah, so them was already there. So the understanding I get at the time, Jermaine and Dave have the talent, Jermaine have the money. So them do what them do. But apparently the way it seems is like not never upon paper officially. So I say, so work does I do? I check so well boy, you know that thing they go. You expect a man for honor him word, because most of the time word that's all we have. So
Virgin thing.
Yeah, virgin thing. And I guess when the real come to the real now, you realize Jermaine's a Penthouse are my own.
Oh.
Yeah. So And that's so Dave get a...
So that's why Madhouse thing come
Yeah,
through.
Dave get a wake-up call. I realize Madhouse a fee money, you know. Penthouse a fee money, you know. So I have to go farm Madhouse. But him couldn't just get up and exit. So him get a tape for himself. One tape. Make sure you buy one tape. And then make a rhythm. And him write that tune there. You rule, you won, you come first, big it up. And get Buju for voice a song there. See? So that's the first song we record. So, them time I'm up on the road with Buju. Because anywhere in the world Buju go, I was there.
Oh, okay.
I mean, home all the show them, over the whole world.
Oh, so you were opening for
All
Gaza?
over the whole world. The first two ever go up and hear me tell Talman earlier, me and him and Barris. Because them time we couldn't even travel because we never look issue.
Okay.
So me and him, Brian and Tony Gold, we carry for sing there.
Ah, man is.
For the Wayne one that sang them and the...
Oh.
Yes. So, we're at Washington, D.C. We're up on the tour, you know, about the name of him name. So sometimes him go here, him go voice a tune for him come back and make me hear the song. So this bad. Jermaine come, I'm excited for Jermaine to hear it. So Jermaine, hear this. You rule, you. Madhouse production gone on top. Jermaine, so hold on there. Rewind. What is Madhouse? Rewind back that part there. What is Madhouse production? Buju said, Dave, look at thing. I said, Dave, look at, what do you mean by that? I said, no, talk. That can't go on. And that's the real fallout start now. Because I said that for come from Penthouse label and Madhouse production. And Dave, I said, let's say the whole of Jermaine tape them was Sony. Man get, that's a female call one tape him get, is a Panasonic. Man just take up him tape and say, my tape this year and just walk out. That was the end of, with that one song there.
One song.
Alright, I saw him go bill. Big man have the money, so him are the boss. Only look at you, then kiss him. Alright, and
So he wrote it?
Yeah, man.
Well, then again, Dave write all his songs.
Yeah, man, I write all them songs.
back
Yeah,
at
man.
that time. Then.
Most of them.
So that song, come there, I sing the song and have an editor, brother.
Big man have the money.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, straight to Jermaine head, man. If you listen to the words, man, big man have the money, so him are the boss. One look at you, then for kiss him. Yeah.
I know where it's all.
Yeah, man. So there's some Madhouse was born.
So, you, Fabulous, who else was there?
All I did at the time, you know, because...
So Buju did kind of...
No, here we go on. Remember I said Buju was Penthouse.
Right.
Dave's a Madhouse now, so at the end of the day, we end up caught between a rock and a hard place too. Because Dave is our friend, you know.
Right.
Seeing? But at the same time, we did have so much invested in a Penthouse at the time, and me and Buju a tour and them things. So when Dave I saw Dave farm film like a pro with Screw, Louis,
Gangali, them and all of
yeah,
them.
you understand? So me and Wayne one basically was still at Penthouse, but we and Dave
Still
was
good.
bridging same way. So no matter how could I still record for Dave. Because nobody can tell so I can't record for a friend.
So I think the deep, brother.
Yeah, man, the deep, man. I'm get a jam, man. I'm sure how deep it was. I go foreign. First time I fly out, 92. I'm spend a couple months, and when me come back, I come back the December 1992. And when I come back, I go check Dave. Them time the split go on already. I go check Dave, and I say, Dave, when I go check Dave on a Vineyard Town, and Dave live in Vineyard Town. Louis there, Screw there. Louis and Screw did for do an interview with a day there. They were Gleaner. And me just come check them. I see them just come from foreign. So I end up rolling with them. Me, Dave, Louis and Screw. So I end up in the interview and me just so the picture take with me, Louis and Screw. The first me ever get an interview per Star. 3 pictures and say at DJs coming out of Madhouse for 93. And Buju come check me with a Star there. And I say, if me a Madhouse, so me I deal with.
Oh, yeah?
I swear. Basically, I say, what me I deal with, that's how deep it was.
So you did deal with?
At the time, I just forward. Me didn't even know what me I deal with. Because I never know so the deep. Remember, I just forward back after about 5-6 months, you know. And when I left, every man was good, you know. So me I say, yo, what this? So me know me I say, what me I deal with? Me didn't even know what me I deal with at the time. But at the time, as me I say, David have him like a crew, Fabulous them. I mean, we know all of them because Screw are my youth.
Right.
Screw are my youth.
What do you mean screw are your youth, by the way?
Screw coming like my brother. Me and Screw grew. Me and the first man ever carry Screw go record a song.
Daddy Screw.
Daddy Screw.
Frankie
Me and him was neighbor. My baby mother yard and him baby mother yard one fence and I come in the back and brush my teeth and him say I brush for him teeth. That levels there.
Yeah.
Yeah, one morning, some foreigner boy come with some money, I want to record some song and I go down and I want the next DJ and I say, oh man, I can't think about this Screw. And I jump on my bicycle and ride, go wake him up and I say, food. Two him, me and him, first song him ever record, I asked him when I see him. That is Screw.
Oh,
but I'm a virgin, can you know? This is Screw. Screw could have DJ and I love DJ, but Screw wasn't really a DJ, you know. Screw was a selector. Screw used to select Blackstone, you know, with Weber and Jumbo. The sound at them time that were Blackstone around East, the biggest sound at East was Blackstone. And even Stone Love can't overthrow them if them come at East at that time. That's how serious Blackstone movement was at East. And Screw was one of the, Screw was like them, because Weber played the music. Screw was like, but him would do him like a DJ segment. Them.
Right.
Them telling me a big DJ for Screw. I tell him, I was ahead of him at the time.
Yeah.
But I'm a virgin like that. East people
that's
can't tell
another
you.
thing,
Yeah, man, East people can't tell you. So even when him get that, break there with Dave, I'm happy for him. Because I'm a friend like that. Because I did that penthouse at the time, I did alright. And I said, Dave, the door was always open.
Yes.
Because I and Dave are virgin. You know, so.
I could wrap up a few little things before we take on your musical thing though. While at Penthouse, some are, based on my information, some of your biggest songs, you either write them or co-wrote them.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Not an easy road.
Yeah, I was a part of that.
Murderer.
Song. Definitely.
Deportee.
That's my song.
True or false?
That's my song.
Deportee.
Buju write a line in the Deportee. That's my song. He wasn't even there when it was written.
So how would you get the song?
I gave it to him. Because, alright, we write that song at Trinidad, me and Wayne. We did that, we get a call, him did that Texas. And we get a call about an individual where I pan we are foreign and him end up drop back on the rock. And Wayne say, see, things change. Alright, and me and Wayne pen the song and I did that vibe. The next day him come and I say, hear this. And I said that bad him like it. Sometimes we don't have nothing too good to give a friend. I mean, I'm a party, I want it. That's how we live at the time.
Yeah, because you say him give you, grab it up.
Yeah, me give me the punchline there, yeah. You want the song and me give him it. He probably change a line or two in it, but the song didn't. I see him, things change. No, this is a life. And my song. Yeah, man.
Come on, come on, yeah.
Yep.
Very true.
But enough for the song them too, we co-write, vibes.
Yeah.
You know me, I say, yeah man, well for the song them, but that in, alright. Even the song I say, oh man, I mind you. Right back at you. Down pan the Sheffield, all the liquorist. I mean, live at Sheffield Road, right? I mean, I get that. Sheffield Road, my mother live. Out of East Kingston, so. Down pan the Sheffield, all the liquorist. Who come not to get a Federal Express. Sign up the and dance and collect. Yeah, man. Barrel come from down in South Carolina. I just saw you the one that FRANKIE SLY. Genuine ballet, we did that over the eye. That simple, me the DJ, I'm the gold man, you know. You're not famous, you know. Yeah, man.
So you wrote that?
Yeah, man, me and him.
Yeah, co-wrote.
Yeah. Because I saw music going on. You see, sometimes when a one man sit down and write a song, it can be bad, you know, but like anything else, two head or three head are better than one.
It is true. It is true.
So me I say, so if me have an idea, the first man me go call away and I say, yo, singer, me have a bad idea. And he go so, like for instance with 111.
Ambulance.
Yeah, that song there. When I find the idea for that song there, I call away in the morning and I say, yo, singer, me have a bad idea for your song. And I run it by him. Him love it so much, he must say, come check me. No! Not even 10 minutes we take to write that song there. So enough of the song that I write, that's how I used to write. Because two head always are better than one. So I'm not going to take no props and say, me write this or me write that, or we write them.
Yes.
Because so it go collectively we did it. And that's why the song them did so bad.
You have writers credit on those?
None of them. None of them. Because the reality of it at the time is, we never know no publishing. Virgin thing. And some man know and them deal with the thing share it too, but that's how it go. Life goes on. You see me I say? Yeah, what we know now, we never know then.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to just live with it, you know?
Murderer. That song based on the info is that song was written as a tribute to Panhead.
Yeah, definitely.
You wrote it or it was a co-written song?
Co-written.
You and Wayne or you and Bojo?
Me, Wayne and Bojo. All three of us, yeah man. Cause the night there, Japan we write the song there. We there Japan and when the show done, you know what? The time difference, Japan, yeah, so.
Yeah, man.
So him come call him woman. After the show, him go call him. I don't call nobody from Japan. I can't
Too
afford
expensive.
it. Yeah, so him go make the call and him come back. All right. You see the information what we get, what him get, come give me. Say Ninja Man kill Panhead. So we get that at Japan, you know.
Yeah, me hear the story about the place, but we kind of know, sir.
Yeah, man, but I saw it did come to we at the first.
Say Ninja Man
Kill Panhead. That's how rumor spread. But that's how it came. We up on the other side of the world. That's how we get it. And I suck on the vibe. I said, murder, 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 murder. Right on my hotel room door, we stay and write it. And one time, I said, go for the Bible. All them psalms, I lift up mine eyes and whence cometh hail. And my favorite psalms are, and me put in them part there. I'm not sure about nowhere.
Yeah, sure.
And my psalms that. My daily prayer that my father give me from me a boy. And you're going out and you're coming in. Yeah, man. But enough song of vibes together, man. As me say, we was friends like that.
Which song did you call first? Not an easy road?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We write them songs together. That was Europe.
Europe.
Yeah, man. Hungry Liquid Europe.
Yeah?
Yeah, we are some,
so
man.
they are Europe or work hungry, brother?
Because at the time, whenever I'm a chef on the road, we do at them time, we just had started to I think our first time that in Europe. And Bojo, I made the transformation to Rastafari at the time. And so we need to eat certain things. Someone will go there and anything we can. Yeah. And the reality of it is, we don't eat like them. Remember, say anything where we eat have to look something. Most of the time we judge food off of how it look.
Yeah, man, we
so,
eat it
yeah,
first.
so we can't eat them something. I never forget it, Twiggy. Twiggy was one of the backup singer. And she's slim in her ear, she named Twiggy, bad singer. I'm telling you something, Twiggy can't eat. I say Twiggy cry, live in high water and hungry liquor in Europe. Then on the first my face racism, man, the night when we reach in Frankfurt, in Germany. Cause I think a Germany, we go Gatwick, and from Gatwick to Frankfurt, but Frankfurt the first show at Germany. And when we reach in Germany, and we're going to, what's a McDonald's or a Burger King that night there. Them ignore it. Them ignore it. We in there like we're not in there, them not sell with nothing. Real thing me I tell you, let me say, I remember the whole band, you know, we have travel a band, you know. Road manager, dancer, backup singer. So a good 13, 14, 15 away. Yeah, man, them not sell with nothing. Real hungry face at Europe, man.
It's not an easy road.
Yeah, man, alright. That's all that song came about. Men see the glamour and the glitter, them think a better rose, but who feels it knows. Yeah, man.
Were those the only 3 songs that Bojo is on that you have some input in?
More than 3 we said
more
the
than 3.
Yeah, man. I'm saying at the time.
Right, I'm more than 3
man,
because
we used to just write songs together, man. And at the time, we not think about no credit at the time. The song I should really get credit for is Deportee. Yeah, man, I'm going around up on that one there.
That song there when I grew up still in a brother.
Yeah, man.
I play everywhere, you know.
A big thing, man. Big song. Yeah, man. Things change. No one else is alive. I said that was my song. Yeah, man. No doubt about it.
Spend the whole light of brand.
Boy, get the port, come down in a one pants.
Yeah, man. No money, but we no response.
But that's what yeah, man.
Yeah, so you never try because I mean, while it's a bridging thing and you work, at least get some.
Yeah, man, but sometimes I go bad a man and can't go good at evening again, you know. So you just love some things.
So yeah, sir.
Because the reality of it is, you know, if me and your brethren teach them, if you have your little crew, and you know, sir, you make X, Y, Z, are you supposed to make sure so your crew alright? You know?
Naturally.
Alright. So if you not do that, it's up to them now what them are going to do. If them are going to stick around or them are going to exit. I just so it's set, you know?
So it's set for sure.
I just life, man.
Yeah, and Gargamel good?
Well, last time I see him, you know, I talk a whole heap of things, you know, but...
You mean in person?
No, not to me, just...
Oh, okay.
You know Gargamel. But a long time I don't see him. I spoke to him one time since he come from jail. But it was just a
Yeah.
War go on rare. But I don't see him. A long time I don't see him. Because he said me just forward and him there at prison and one bag of thing. So I don't see him. So.
How things with you and Dave?
Man, Dave great, man. Great, man. Yeah, man. Man, Dave great,
We
man.
know you're Wayne good and them.
Yeah, man, me and Sham great, same.
Yeah, as I said, Sham. Anybody ever tell you, say, you talk like Spragga and you have a Sham sound in a DJ?
I said, I'm a DJ before Sham, you know.
I know you're a DJ before Sham. And because no kind of help bring around Sham to man.
Yeah, man, when Sham, when Sham come around as a youngster, we was there. Yeah, man. I see him Wayne.
No, I don't say you sound. Yeah, man. Sham really sound like you on a level.
Yeah,
but
man.
Nobody ever tell you that before?
No. Me and people said make the Spragga reference.
Spragga reference.
Yeah. Yeah, people make the Spragga reference still. The talking, but
yeah.
All
right.
I don't see it still, but.
You don't see it still?
No, I don't see it still.
So you know, to Frankie Sly and Frankie Sly journey.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Because whilst that a part of the thing,
Yeah,
Frankie
man.
Sly I'm own artist and
Yeah,
I'm
man.
own rights. Madhouse, you know, because eventually you move from Penthouse
Yeah, man.
to
Yeah, man.
Madhouse.
Definitely.
Time no know, Fabulous, Louie, Frankie, Daddy Screw, Donovan Steele,
Wayne Wonder. Yeah.
Oh, Wayne come over.
Yeah, man, Wayne was, as I saying, Wayne.
I'm still I do the Penthouse thing.
Alright. There was a time when we shift to Madhouse fully. But at that time when I shift the make, at the time when the Madhouse transition make, for even me and Wayne, Fabulous and Screw them wasn't really there at that time, you know.
Oh.
That was like a new Madhouse now, you know.
Oh, okay.
You see me I say? I'm not sure where it go on, but we never really have to Fabulous, we never really have to Louie, we never really have to Screw. Because most of Madhouse recording in the early days was at Penthouse. Because even after Jermaine and Dave of them are still Penthouse we do the work. Every Thursday and Friday was Madhouse Day.
Okay.
Exclusively.
Oh.
Dave have a studio book for them 2 days every week. Thursday, Friday and Madhouse Day.
Oh, we live and we learn.
Yeah, man. So everything start before even St. Andrew Park. Right at Penthouse so.
As you say, Dave Kelly basically have a music in their hand.
Yeah, man. Good work, you know.
Most I bad rhythm them.
Yeah, man.
Most I hit song them.
Yeah, man.
And he was writing for most of the artists at the time.
If him not write, he might co-write, he might help them. Yeah, man.
A genius right to the brother.
Genius. I see the man I write all 3 songs at one time.
3 songs one time.
I help write 3 songs one time. Yeah, man. Me with there, so. Sham there, so. Wayne there, so. Let's give you an example. And where you there, Frankie? And him goes and him, yeah, man, I don't like that. I'm get input and go over there, so, one time.
Genius.
Yeah, man. Genius at work, man. Real talk. Can't take that from him. I have to give him flowers. You know?
Yeah. Why Dave left the music, brother?
I don't think I leave the music, you know, because Dave still at the music, you know, but sometimes there's nothing else to prove, you know. And then, I'm saying I don't speak for him, but I just say how me look at it, when me think. There's nothing else to prove, and sometimes a man probably want to explore different. You see me I say? Because if you notice, some other people come after him and do them thing and do the same thing.
Yeah, but nobody not really have the effect.
No, definitely. But I just
brother.
more time the man them just evolve here, man. And as I say, the music reach a state where music need not sell no more. So that's one of the biggest problem.
Yeah.
Why you do it and you can't make the money from it?
People are streaming and download. You know what I mean, man? Spotify.
No money now make off of music again. No money now make it.
But anybody man, me see just come in that business and rich brother, so you mean so no money
listen
now.
me, man. Enough of them are fool themselves, man.
Yeah?
Reality of it. No money now make. No money now make off of music selling. Believe that. Most of the time, they ever tell us, the last set of rhythm them we make a game gateway. Game gateway free. Real thing me I tell you. Game gateway. So, I feel like at them, you know, it make no sense. When him don't have him name, him can go do a project, and move his own track, and him probably make 100 grand or 150 grand. I don't know, I just give an example.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
I'm less stressed up.
Yeah.
So,
Which is true.
Yeah.
Which is true.
I feel like that's how the thing evolved to. If you notice, most of the man, them Dan come after him.
Right.
Steve, I say, all of them evolve the same way.
Not
and
nice.
them gonna do them thing. Music not sell. It's sad, but the truth.
But what cause that though?
The game changed, the internet. You see the internet, it good and it bad.
As is everything else.
Yeah, man, it good and it bad, man. Because once upon a time, all right, I guarantee you, none of Aquarius up there, they're not there no more.
No, not that I know of.
Right.
I can't chat with about like that again.
All right.
That
If you check Moody's out of 226, out of white plate, them not dead, I say Moody dead with you. You know, music not selling. So, I guess the man them try, them face the reality, you know, dead no more. Regardless of the way people say them a stream, them a this, them a that, the money not really a make. Half of music like that. If you have your thing set up the real way, and you hit millions a stream, then, but if you not hit the millions, it don't make no sense. That's the truth.
Yeah, but we talk about some boy in song with a catalog, you know, yeah, brother. At Madhouse, you know, you score some Mansa songs, Mansa hits again.
Yeah, man. Some.
Which was the first real big hit in the catalog when you move over to Madhouse full time.
Fussy. Yeah, Fussy. Fussy is a mega hit. Where until this day, you know, at the Food Basket.
Food Basket.
Yeah, man, that song there. Yeah, man.
Which rhythm Fussy depend again?
Fussy
Can you say Rice Sam?
No,
Rice
Ray. Ray depend
Ray. Originally?
Yeah. But it depend the Showtime mix.
Because, and the reason I ask you that, when I play the tune and I search the tune, first thing I ask, you know, but then say Ray, and when I listen Ray, and Ray depend again.
Yeah, Ray depend originally, but it depend the Showtime mix. Fussy never released as a single, you know. Compilation, it was off.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. It wasn't a 45.
How come?
I just saw. I don't even know why, but it did work.
It works still.
It did work.
It works.
Yeah, man, because I say, if I get 100 call, if you have double plate,
90 or Fussy?
probably 80.
Probably 80.
Yeah, man, or 75. Yeah, man.
I can't understand why some of them want the tune still.
Yeah, man. The first Fussy song, man.
What was the story behind that song though? Was it a personal situation or nah?
All right. It was personal, but at the same time, all right. No care how we go rough, no care how we go rugged, no care how you chop it up out the street. If it's a big people, you still have to respect them. So, Fussy was a word where
I use in place of the P word.
yeah. You see me, I say, because even from here, my father look on my brother and say, yeah, behave like a Fussy.
Yeah.
While them wouldn't say the other one.
Say P.
Yeah, so that was a word that became so universal where we did happy and proud of it because big people could have used it. Even though it's not because Fussy mean legion of the skin.
Right.
Fussy mean
Fussy,
sore.
Fussy.
Sore.
Fussy.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
And it's funny, I don't think it's a bad word and I never played it on the radio yet. So it's still have
You never get a radio play?
No, so Fussy them so. Most of my songs never play on the radio. Hardcore dance all them busting now. Yeah, man, Fussy never play on the radio yet, never. Probably a foreign. Which me not say why, because Fussy it say.
You know, people them and do
Yeah,
them
man,
thing.
them skin thin boy, yeah, man. Yeah, but as I say, it didn't matter that because I do it for them.
Yes.
Until today, still I do it for them.
Still I do it for
Still
them.
I do it for them until today.
Big a piece of it then, no?
Yeah, man. So we no love for soul. Them boy the cool. I try set way up for get some money and gold. Them a big for soul. Fire for them soul. We can't do them nothing true with the pamper roll. Them a sick true. Them want know we secret. And a plan figure station and go leak it. If them know where they stash, tell them would a thief it. But I them can't find a which part we keep it now. Fussy all a move like snake. And from long time we pick up the rake. Can enough of them a smile and them smile look fake. Teach them just a cool to him youth them sake. Still we no love for soul.
True,
Them boy the cool. Yeah, man.
Big tune, brother.
Yeah, man.
Classic.
Big tune, classic. Dance
Classic.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
And you said that the tune where it's
Yeah,
most
man.
requested.
Yeah, man. I mean, we have all part of the song with them request, but that are the most requested.
Yes.
Yeah.
Other songs in the Madhouse journey, Papa proud, Papa would have proud, and a Madhouse tune.
No, that was Call Me Shams.
Oh.
If you know, If you notice the harmony, T.O.K. upon that.
T.O.
Papa would have proud of me.
You never know.
Listen it back. T.O.K. Yeah, man. Imagine if a boy like me ever bust way. A mount of a soul girl, man, a take way. As him left him yard, man, a screech, he go down there. Papa would have proud of me. Imagine if me have a big chain for my stomach. Then a be a stoush girl, man, would have pick up and brush up. A mount of girl, would have you stir up. Papa would have proud of me. Say if I did Bob Marley was my daddy, think me woulda cool like Steve and Ziggy. All Mary J woulda shame when she see me. Papa woulda proud of me.
Big tune again, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Tune, man.
Which rhythm that you would have had?
I think it's the one rhythm name Orgasm.
Orgasm.
Yeah, man, Orgasm. I think being in the pan rhythm too. Damn.
No, man.
Yeah, man.
Orgasm?
Orgasm it depends.
Yes, sure. Say some intercourse with him in the pan.
One of them. One
Yeah,
of them,
man.
Probably.
Intercourse with him in the pan.
Probably. You're probably right. One of them with him.
And orgasm be the we know key that I cheek on.
Okay.
Yeah,
One
man,
of them with him.
intercourse with him.
Intercourse. Okay, my bad.
Well, intercourse and orgasm are the far.
Them close enough. Yeah, close enough.
Yeah, brother. You love that song there?
I love that song.
Why though?
It was different at the
Just
time.
different.
It was a different song, you know. Yeah, touch
Comedic, but
yeah,
serious.
man. Serious line that, man. If Bob Marley was my daddy, think would have cool like Steve and Ziggy. Oh, yeah, so Mary J, them would have shame when them see me.
We spoke about the next Mansa song. We never talk a lot about it. And at a Wawa.
Yeah, Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Big tune.
Big tune, brother.
Big tune. First big
that's
song.
That's a heartbeat.
Yeah, that's the first
with
big
him.
song I do for Mother House.
Ah.
Yeah, first big song that upon the heartbeat with him with Fabulous the pan rhythm that
Screw them.
Yeah, man. Louis. Frisco.
Yes.
Maxi Priest.
Maxi
Priest and Screw. Max, a two tune Screw up on the rhythm there. Yeah. Make me see you and if you are dapper. All of the, I remember the next one, my Maxi pan, can't remember it. Yeah, big.
See,
yeah.
Yeah. Big tune again, brother.
Big tune. Wow. The tune anthem until today, man. No Richard juggling left without Ambulance. Where the a man send me a clip with Liquid and I play the rhythm and I say, let in the Ambulance. Where the Ambulance? Still play, man. Yeah. And I see
Wayne, it's a co-wrote it.
Yeah, I Wayne write that song there. Yeah, I used to have braids in my head, so I go check a cat out of Harbourview and she had do my ear the evening and she have a little friend there. And a girl is a straight Ambulance. Yeah. So I sit down there and she had do my ear and a little old man come check her friend. But you see the check with him come check her, he's a manager for a pharmacy. So he bring 2 bags of goodies for her. Everything we sell in a pharmacy. From postcard to Q-Tex to Betna feet, everything we sell in a pharmacy. So I'm there and I'm say my girl, I do my ear and she look through the bag and she said, I tell him say the 24 pack of tampon him for bring and I 12 him bring.
Yeah.
I tell him say the blue Betna feet I want and the pink one him bring. So I did that listen. So tomorrow when him come back I tell him say I want this more. So I say, hey girl, man come tomorrow you got the man I rub up because she, and I'm like somebody she dead with it now. She man I get the man just I get in. So I tell her say when the man come tomorrow for you hug him up and rub it up on him and make him feel good and you tell him say you want this, you want. And I say you sound like a siren, man. And it just hit me right away. I say, you know, so that bad. So I do me here, I start to vibe it. I go sleep on it. And I make like night, I wake up and say, girl, you must say Ambulance. I radio car, but every time she turn it on, the DJ and gone left her. Ambulance. Are you? I say, yeah, man, I hate this. So the man can't wait for daylight. Call my partner in crime, you know? Say, yo, singer. I have a bad idea for your song, you know? I must say, how it go? I'm run it by him, I say, yeah, man, that bad for you. Come check me. Jump in a taxi and go check him, and I go up there and play. I'm the Snoop Doggy Dog Pound crew. I run the place. Game. Yeah, my bunks are Snoop. Dog Pound thing, and we are listening, we are vibing on the Snoop rhythm, and then we practically write it on the rhythm there. Done put in the punani, and the rest of history. Yeah, man, we go down there and Dave have
so you're late on the punani first before?
Yeah, man.
Well, because punani
most of the
can't
time,
take anything,
yeah,
man.
All right. Me I watch a DJ couple few years ago, watch one of them new DJ. I try DJ pan punani and can't manage punani rhythm, you know.
Yeah.
I say, oh, if I can't DJ pan punani rhythm, Everything you make, the first rhythm you gotta test it on a punani.
Somebody tell me that
before the
this
show
day.
time,
Yeah, punani.
was punani. Can't go around punani, man. From you test it on punani, more likely you can put it on anything.
A punani in here, man.
Yeah, man.
So then you drop on the heartbeat.
Drop on the heartbeat.
Big rhythm.
Yeah, man. One
big
take,
song.
man. Big song, man. Big song. Big song. Big song. Wow.
Give girl them peace, man.
Until today people still talk about wow. People still use it.
A long time girl, then
Yeah,
girl
man.
are wicked.
Yeah, man.
Wicked
Long
girl. Give girl
Oh,
them.
man, you're siren. Everything you see, you want. You just wow. All I love is Moses. Girl, you must say ambulance. I radio car, but every time she turn it on, the DJ and gone left for her. Ambulance. Are you a brigade? Every time you hear the wow, me start get the woman them wow, everything. One gold chain and them one diamond ring. Woman wow, jerk chicken. How when she done that, she want to go Burger King. Wow, something for drink. Every minute of the day, I be eat and drinking. Wow, visa for go foreign. She want the whole of Bronx, Manhattan and Brooklyn. If I follow this, a girl I would have died spending. You must say ambulance. I radio car, but every time she turn it on, the DJ and gone left for her. Ambulance, or fire brigade.
Big tune.
Yeah, man, big
we are
tune.
hold on for some of the tune because we are talking about some tune that some people even remember about it.
Yeah, man.
But that is the next classic in our
Yeah, man,
catalog.
next, yeah,
Because
man.
I think, as I say, when people talk, say Frankie Sly, Fussy and Ambulance
Yeah, man.
and but one of the, I remember, I think I was in 4th or 5th form when, probably 4th form, because when the Millennium Bug come out in a 5th form. Bug rhythm, take me in a 4th form at the time. Every taxi, every bus,
Yeah, man. Big rhythm.
I bug them and play.
Big rhythm. Big rhythm.
Haters Anthem.
Yeah, man.
Next
Big rhythm.
monster song.
Monster song. Yeah, man.
What's that song based on personal experiences? So I'm sitting and I'm listening to the song, I realize, say,
It did.
Frankie, I tell you some things.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
What
man.
go on before that song then?
That song the personal. You see when you are growing at the ghetto, enough of the time when you try push out, some people now go glad for you. And that's the reality of it that. Some people now go glad for you. Some man expect you to stay up on them levels. Meaning sit down on the corner and not make nothing with your life. So see me, I know I try push out, I try make something with myself, and some man just start at 8, 9 and 10. Yeah, man, real thing me I tell you, that's, it get a way where me all drive all pass and man I say, DJ about fast soul under your mama. And that's where it reach. Real thing me I tell you, yeah man, real thing me I tell you, man, till thing get away one at a time till. Yeah, man, when I'm a little brother, God rest him soul. Yeah, man, when the boy run in, and my brother have to dirt him. Dirt.
So people died.
People dead. Not died, dead. Real thing me I tell you, and that start a real war. Yeah, man, and my mother house get shell down, man. Gunshot. Man come shoot up on my mother house. Enough things go on, man. Enough things go on. Saying, yeah, man. So, them song there, real to I.
So that is how you lost one here, brother?
Yeah, man.
One or two of them?
One. Next one a different thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
So was that one of the reasons why you kind of breeze yard?
Yeah, man, you don't have to do that, you know, because it's the end of the day.
I run your runway, Frankie.
No,
You know me
man.
ask, because streets I go ask, so me ask see streets.
And you can ask. Sometimes you have to just take away yourself, man.
Fair enough, brother.
You have to just take away yourself sometimes, man. Because the reality of it is, you know, life, as I said, the greatest gift from God to man. And I rather, me have a thing with me always say, I rather broke and free. And the same thing, I better, me I live a low profile life and me alive and I can see me out them. And my old lady and my old man, because my old man just gone a few days now, 13th of September, barely a month now. So, you know, if you want to call it runway or so, but something you have to just take away yourself, man. For preserve your
Fair
own
enough,
life.
brother.
Yeah,
Me
man.
not against that, brother.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, no, we
yes,
just
man.
ask a question.
Yeah, man,
Because we don't say
You
people
got-
them are going to ask a question.
Yeah, man, and that's okay. Yeah, man. Murder go on like thing, man. Real thing, me I tell you. People lose them life.
Big a piece of tune there, sir.
They you know so we no give a damn if them hate we. After we not 2-1 them first soul rate we. Think so we are fool for make some idiot come bait we. Right now our money we are make and go through. Tell them say and not no big if them hate we. Cause we not press for them first soul rate we. More than one even 2 rich girl come date we. Slide us and make some money and go through. Cause when me looking at the ratio, none for them a hype up and a flip up them a gazer. Frankie Sly a girl is some sharper than a razor. Me no have no time for follow up, no play a hater. See them want to draw me out, but Lego that you hear sir. We no depend that you know so soon a little later. Money man a look who want food in a them plates ya. Man fi have some pretty car park up at them gates ya. Lie down in our bed, I get to breakfast in a waiter. Lick more we and some mad girl gone a theater. All some fool a talk through them don't have with data. See we na them state ya. Them nobody teach them. Yeah, man.
Brother,
Big
I'm
tune.
just saying, going to school in the morning,
Yeah, man.
going home my evening,
Yeah, man. Bug with
and
the-
a bug in our ears,
bug with the
bug
black
in our
boy, yeah,
ears,
man.
bug in our
I
ears.
remember say all bug release, you know.
Cause no weak tune on the on the bug, you know,
No
brother.
weak tune. I think a 5 song was released
No
on the bug.
weak tune.
At first, I think him release was Wayne Wonder. Work them right and keep them coming. Sham. Me and for rate every you to elevate. Spragger. Some boy can't get no girl if them no eat. Bounty killer. Look into my eyes and we
Tell
not
me
give a
what
damn
to
if
see.
it was them 5 song there. I think he put Mariana upon it after.
Yeah.
And then them do the clone with yeah, man.
Beanie and the works.
Yeah, man.
Big tune, brother.
Yeah, man.
Big
song.
tune.
Get all of mileage off of that song.
And then, you see, listening the song then and listening the song now, seeing or learning the backstory,
Yeah,
kind
man.
of gives some
Make all
a
the
different meaning.
Yeah,
brother.
man. Sang the personal to my man, especially that one there. Because that one there was right after the event.
Oh.
That song there was a song. Because the day, when we read my bunks, and me and Dave there, and Dave I say, boy, some of things are going on in your life. What if things can write about? Yeah, man, the real thing, exactly what he said. Man is a writer some tune in your life. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so much in your
Yeah,
life.
man said, too much tune in your life. You can't shout a tune. Yeah, man. Said that coming like you stick by the fat, but I just want to go on around you. And nothing really like when you talk about where I go on. And none, everything.
So true.
Yeah, man. None fiction.
Tune
you
now
know?
when people them can relate to always a bigger tune.
Always
man.
a bigger tune, them for real. Most of my, me don't really make friction tunes still, you know.
Yes.
Most of my songs, them are real life, you know. Most of my songs, them, me don't really just get up and make sure that wall like pink, if you know me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me just, most of the time, I things were going on in my life. Yeah, man. Most of my songs, them.
Song like them don't know we.
Yeah, man. Real thing. The whole of them
The
songs
Rice
that
and
come out.
Peas
Yeah,
with
man.
them.
Cause I read them, me later, I read them originally, Rice and Peas.
Big one thing.
Yeah, man. Mark Pinnock, Natural Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I did the start management, because I'm a virgin from school days.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, Mark, I'm a virgin. I know him from school still. And I love the business. And you know me, I say, even though me there Mados never really manage me.
Oh.
Yeah, me just.
They just in a camp
Yeah,
like
me just
that.
did it. So, he me do it. So Mark, he manage me. So, at the same time, I have him label. And that was the first rhythm where we really make, no, I lie, we'd make a rhythm before that in the name, Resilience.
Okay.
But it never really shell.
know about that one.
Rice and Peas kind of do.
Yeah, Rice and Peas are name out
And
nice
then
street.
Snow Cone did come in, I'm a Snow Cone did partner, and Snow Cone is a songwriter, because he's a man where a Dave Kelly I'm idol too. So, and him have whole of writing skills too, so. Me and Snow Cone write enough songs together too.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, Cone, I'm a virgin like that, man, enough
I
vibes.
mean songs that you voice or song like other people voice?
Just songs on a wall, so where other people voice too.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, because song have, Cone have a whole heap of, enough song record, because I says I'm on a pattern Dave
Yeah,
Kelly.
man.
Love
Yeah, man. We
Dave.
know Cone body and everything, man.
Yeah, man. So the rhythm, the original was Lenky and Titi must make the rhythm there.
Ah.
Yeah, but me was the artist well late
Late the
with
rhythm.
them. Yeah. And me first voice on it. Only thing couldn't know we. Them both don't really know we. So I see them, I want like say them want come toe to toe with. Yo, only thing couldn't know we. Them both don't really know we. Them both don't really know we. So true, them crew enough up. I see them coming a puff up. Them face them all a tough up. You know it will get bust up. I better if an hush up. When a little life will crush up, now go wait until it dust up. If it come down, they come bust it up. Yeah, man, them sang the real. Yeah, man. You don't sleeping like them wake up. Picture like a bake up. When gangster ready for sneak up. Holding on when they click up. Making a shot in the beak up. Spirit left all in the teacup. Peer reading can leak up by standards of all eek up. Yo, what do you think gonna know we? Them both don't really know we. Them both don't really know. Yeah, man.
Only for anything they argue. Everything good,
Yeah,
man.
man. Me know what you think,
What
man.
next tune where I don't think that tune really and truly get the justice where it deserves, but it's a tune where deep and very applicable to what I go on now. Never see Jamaica like this.
Yeah.
Tune
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, man, that song there.
But not totally your voice a tune there.
Yeah, man. Because I believe in the song so much. I believe in it so much. That song, if you ever ask me, I probably my favorite Frankie Sly that of all time.
Yeah?
Never see Jamaica like this, because I know how real it is.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Out of all of the songs, them, my favorite song that of all time. Never see Jamaica like this.
I think your voice it first about 2008, there
Yeah,
about.
my voice it for Chuck back them
Chuck
first.
Adrian.
Yeah, Adrian, me put that song that for first. Yeah.
And then about 2015 there about.
Yeah, I record it back again. Yeah, man. Because I believe in the song.
It's a lovely song, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a
Good
lovely song.
Good song. And it, as I say, it's relevant until today.
Timeless.
We never see Jamaica like this. Them thing I
Never.
always say happen.
Never.
And the truth. That's why sometimes I
Never,
wonder what they
brother.
really want in the music. Because, you see me I say?
Never.
Yeah, man. Big song, man. Big song. But when I get to learn about music, it's enough time, even though it's not shell, somewhere, we always say, somewhere out there, somebody like it.
A
Somebody
big song,
listen
man.
to it.
Deep song, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Everything in it is reality. Reality.
I'm not ready for no night yet still. We are talking about some more things, you know. Frankie Sly, you have been in and around the highest bar of the music, from Penthouse to Madhouse, the whole of house then. You rub shoulder with enough of the giants them about you. Enough of them.
Definitely.
Louis,
definitely.
Fabulous,
Yeah, man,
Gargamel, Cutty, all
Yeah,
of
man.
them.
Yeah, man.
Zane, which of them artists there in a your recollection and based on what you know about them, you then give props and say, this a man I made them pay me money, got a stage show. You got to turn up and watch.
Bojo. Yeah, man. Gargamel. Regardless of all of the other.
Things them.
Yeah, man. Gargamel. In my opinion, top 3 of all time, in my opinion. Can go 1, can go 2, can go 3.
What next two?
And as I say, I don't say so with no specific. All right. No, I'm
You
not.
know you're going to ask them
No,
question,
no
Frankie.
problem. All right. Realistically, if you have said top of all the things said, you can't only say Gargamel Shabba. In my opinion. And then Killer.
So, 3 beats me go still. Bojo be in the bounty. That's my 3.
And that's okay.
Then Shabba, Fabulous.
That's okay. That's okay.
And we go down here.
And that me I tell you so. You probably
Depends
say,
on how you look on it.
Yeah, you can't say top car. You can't make an argument for any one of them.
Any one of them, but
You can't make an argument for any one of them.
True. So true.
You see me I say you can't make you can't make an argument for Louis too.
Louis. Yeah, because Louis come.
You can't make an argument
Right,
for
that's
Louis
so.
culture too. Where one of my favorite DJ of all time.
One
Louis
of the
culture.
greatest, man.
Oh, I'm telling you, man.
One of
Tell
the
me, yeah,
greatest.
man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yes.
So sometimes I say that's how you look at it.
Yes.
You see me I say about the difference with Gargamel. Gargamel do it on every level.
Every level for true.
Every level. You see me I say? And
A great artist, man.
yeah, man, you can't take that from him, man.
Can't take
Anything
that
else,
from
but you can't take that from him. Yeah, man. You have to give him flowers where that is concerned. Yeah, man.
Mad thing.
You have to
You-
call a spade a spade.
Yeah, you used to tour. You say you used to open for Bojo.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand? So you didn't see him in
Yeah, man.
peak and
Yeah,
powers.
man. Yeah, man.
From time to time. Where your favorite place to go perform now?
Europe.
Europe?
Yeah, man. I love Europe.
Any
man.
particular country or just
Amsterdam,
Europe, Amsterdam?
Amsterdam, Germany, Italy, France, Belgium, you name it.
So all of them places you go mash down, brother?
All of them places, man. Japan too.
Japan.
Yeah, man. Japan is a nice place, man.
Yes.
I love Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there anywhere where you don't work it where you hope to go there one day go?
Africa.
Africa.
Yeah, me never
Anywhere in
get forgot.
particular?
Just Africa upon the whole the continent, anywhere in there. The Kenya, the Nigeria, the Ghana,
Gambia.
any one of them.
Where music
Yeah, I
back.
reach Africa yet, but I like go Africa one day.
Yes. Mark say a question though, Sly. Do you think that time when you left Jamaica hurt your musical progress, journey, legacy?
Probably did. Yeah, more likely, yes it did.
So you regret that
No.
from a musical, probably not from the personal side, but from a musical.
Definitely, but I'm say I can't have no regrets because I could have dead too. And if you lose your life, ain't nothing.
Nothing else on the day.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, greatest thing I have to preserve life, and I can see all of my youth them come now and graduate college and all them things. That
Nice,
make me feel
man.
good.
Congratulations,
Yeah, man.
man.
I say, man. Yeah, man. That's it, man.
Yes.
All of my youth them good. My last son at 20 now. I got 21 and I finish up college now.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. So. Yeah, man. A big man in the
Yeah,
picture.
last son.
Yeah, man.
At 21.
He might be 21. Next birthday, he might be 21.
It no matter when, brother.
All right. Yeah, man. As a teacher.
Yeah, do well in terms of.
Try, man. Yeah, man.
Jaja.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, do. Me like to remember the rocks.
Yeah, man.
Looking at the journey,
Yeah.
Sly. As of before even that, so General Frankie
Yeah.
was the first name.
Yeah, man.
When you switch over, why you switch over to Frankie Sly?
Because me have a virgin named KC. You know it have to be a KC, man. From my name KC,
KC,
though. Yeah,
yeah.
but I'm virgin. I really first start calling me Sly. Sly was just a name where them itch up on me through the girl them. Because as a little youth, I grew up, more time, we used to have a beat. No, not even that alone, but sometimes we used to have a beat some fence, you know? And we have some people yard when them gone, and by the you know what I'm saying?
Sly like a fox.
Yeah, man. So that's where the Sly really come from, and then the whole Frankie Sly thing, because you know, you that try look a more unique name at the time and them thing there. So
And it worked.
when we actually start record a Frankie Sly, I never record as General Frankie.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I go on. Looking at the journey, Sly, what would you say? Or is there something that when you look at it, it make you proud from a musical perspective? You know, you then say, I achieved that something here musically and I really and truly appreciate it.
Achievement. Let me tell you something. My greatest achievement is life. If I can there so with you today.
That's why I take it serious, brother.
Yeah, man. If I can still there today, that are the career. I earn a whole heap of material things, and none of them things there would mean nothing today if I couldn't there with you. If I couldn't there today sit down and talk to teach them, if I couldn't there for see me youth them come graduate now, and me youth them all have youth, and me have a grand youth now and them things there. Yeah, man, and I can come.
Yeah, grandfather, brother.
Yes, I.
Congratulations,
Yes,
again,
I.
man.
Yeah, man, I have a couple too. Yeah, man.
Yeah, your youngest looking grandfather, me know still.
Me need to tell you. Yeah, man.
So life.
Yeah, man.
Life.
Yeah, man.
The greatest.
Are the greatest, man. And that's why it's a new song that I'm saying come give you a lot. Yeah, man. That song that personal to me because when you sit down and you look back and you see everything will go on and you say, John, I give thanks it's still there. Because I never have it there.
True.
Me never have it there.
Yeah.
But me there.
Give thanks, man.
I mean, I appreciate being here.
I'm glad to the man still there
I
already.
love life.
Life are the greatest.
Yeah, man, the greatest gift from God to man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Is there anything what the man not achieve from a musical perspective where you hope to achieve one of them there?
But just go on the music, you know, teach them. Because music not have a limit, music not have a boundary. There's a lot of things we would love to do. But realistically, we not get to do all of them.
True.
You see me, I say the Grammys and all these things, everybody that love those things. But realistically, it might happen, it might not happen. We never worry, we just do music.
Yes.
And what happen. You just do good music. So that's my thing there. Just go on the good music.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You have collaboration with Greg Minot, his name?
Gary Minot.
Gary Minot.
Yeah, man.
I wonder, what other song the name?
Wonder Win.
Wonder
I write that song there.
Wonder Win.
Yes. Me write that song there with Lucy in mind.
Oh.
And the day I got the studio, I just see him walking at the studio.
Yeah?
As a big voice singer. Yeah, when we write it, I say, come, me and Lucy alright.
Oh, okay.
And them time, Lucy usually just the over exterminator. Fatis used to the right class, so yeah. So, I really write it and say, boy, I love Lucy could have sing this. But I never even see Lucy, I just see Gary Man at walk in the day. Because I miss a voice some other house to a lot.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he just walk in the day. I say, Gary, listen this. And the man just take it and go in the big voice. I wonder when I go can walk street again. You them don't have no conscience. Them will kill you all for 1 cent. As a little youth, me used to race out of town. Never have no barriers, you never have no bone. Man from up there, so used to free to come down. All the iron hide up on the same compound. And as I say, my life, them think the same way too.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
Other than Gary Minot, we any wonder. My Girl for Life.
Yeah, we have a couple of collabs,
Couple of,
them
yeah.
just never really get fit, what I say.
Bubble up in a tree.
Yeah, but yeah, one of my favorite songs that too.
How much favorite song you have, sir?
A couple.
Normally, me ask you artist my favorite song, no man don't want to tell me, no, you give me 3.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs,
Yeah,
My Girl for
My
Life.
Girl
We do
for
that
Life.
song that for Grafton,
Grafton.
Mikey Bennett. Yeah. My girl for life. But no matter when she do, someone she must get knife. Yeah.
Big tune again, brother.
Yeah, on the Green Bay rhythm.
Green Bay.
Say you run away from a judgment day. That rhythm there, yeah.
Who else do collaborations with other than
Me and Sham have a collab.
yeah, Sham?
Yeah, me and Sham have a
What a tune the
collab.
name?
We don't tune the name again. It depends on the rhythm. Remember the rhythm we have what that for pan? What that for? I don't remember the rhythm.
No, I don't remember that name either.
The song name Step It Up.
Step It Up.
Step it up and give them more things to talk. Them not ready for the looks and the walk. Running a man some cash and go park. Turning a freak, them corner look dark. Step it up, are you the man, them a stalk. Are you the whole of the dads, them a shock. When you dress them, watch you like ark. Certain girl on the left, start back. And Sham come in and say, no for them a chat and them a dopey, they say boo. Some of them a breed and can't tell you what for who. Frightened over man, a drive car running a crew. Girl will act cheap, can never worry you. You go, too.
You say you and Sham have collab, you and Wayne, you and
Gary, man.
Gary.
Me a easy have a song too.
Is that easy?
Yeah, me a easy have a song. I remember we think we do for general degree.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Is there anybody who you never work with on a collaborative level where you don't mind going to the studio, go lay down some bars upon a rhythm one day?
Yeah, man, I mess up the opportunity already. Bury someone. Yeah, man. When
you get the opportunity, I mess up.
When I think of Aunt me, I like.
Aunt, yeah.
Yeah, man, it's Aunt, my man. Aunt me. All right. The first time I ever go up on tour was me, Barry, and Bojo. Barry school me about the road. I teach me about the road. Teach Bojo too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and him develop a real close relationship, you know. So after the tour done, and I book him up in the street one day. And I say, yo, my son, I work on my album. Come check me. Listen for anything you like. But them time we are on the streets so much, I know me not reach. Yeah, man, it haunt me.
What a heart, me, I don't know me, brother.
Yeah, man, it haunt me, man. When I think about it, I say, you know, so me an idiot. Yeah, man, it haunt me. But that's how it go. What is to be must be.
Yeah.
So maybe it just wasn't to
And the
be.
Godfather still there around.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
But
So,
still sweet like
still sweet like sugar cane.
sugar, man.
Yeah, man.
So,
Ella,
if it
Ella,
happen, if it
Ella.
happen, man.
Yeah, man, that's something look on it too, but
So you don't mind do something with Gaga, with berries?
yeah, man, berries.
Yeah.
Berries. Yeah, man.
You have been doing music from your young brother.
Yeah, man, whole for
See?
years.
And the music sustained it down the years.
Definitely.
Whether we see your face or not.
Definitely.
If it was a music, is there anything where Sly like enough where he would end up put food on his family table?
Well, if I not the music, I hustle more than hustle, you know.
Also broad,
Straight.
brother.
Yeah, man. Hustling. Sell weed.
Yeah.
But
Music.
music.
But a
So
music.
thank God I know that, you know?
Yeah, and while when I see Frankie, the music is still treating you well enough where you can take care of it.
Yeah, man. Definitely,
I'm
man.
happy to hear that,
Yeah,
man.
man. People link every day, same way.
Every day?
Every day, same way. Yeah, man.
Alright.
That's why I hear the good songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You hear the good songs. I mean, have a luxury of doing some good songs. So even though if you do some of them now connect, you have somebody connect already where I go always connect them, can't disconnect them.
You're going to make some more people link up, you know. For the people who want to get in touch with Frankie Sly for dub plate, how they go about doing that?
Social media, Frankie Sly Music, Twitter, Frankie Sly Music, Instagram, Frankie Sly, Facebook same way. Yeah, man, we're up on all of them, man.
How many children?
Yeah, 4 sons, you know.
4 sons.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
man.
I guess still look for your girl.
Maybe.
My youth, go and raise a grand youth, say, man.
When I did that shit, the teacher. We don't know still. Cool now, man.
Cool
Watch
now.
it. Yeah, man, cool. I'm some last one at 20.
Maybe
Yeah,
my
man.
man.
Yeah, man. So, at 20 years now,
20 years now.
the gun no connect. So, it must be for a reason. I have like a granddaughter almost 9 years old, so I have to know me I do. You see me I say, my first granddaughter almost 10.
You bad,
Child
you
9
bad
plus I got
granddaughter
10.
almost all of my first child.
Right. Yeah, see?
Yeah, brother.
Yesterday I go for one of my grandson, day before yesterday. At first I go meet him, so I go for him and take a par off him for a day and carry him go meet the old lady and, you know? Yeah.
Sly ever been married?
Yeah, man.
Married now?
Yes, I.
All the life they are treated?
Well, it's like anything else, you know, you just live your life.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Boss, yeah. So, brother, you're still the boat?
Yeah, man.
Still do the music?
Still there, still I do the music.
Still love it though?
Still love it. Yeah, man, it's our first priority, but music our first love. Music is my first love. I love nothing more than music, and music alone shall live.
Yeah. And you still love the music, but you don't love the business?
Yeah, I love the business. You lit the nail on the head, alright, so.
Speaking about the business, I want to talk about it a little earlier. Normally when I reason with the man them from 70s, 80s, 90s, even 2000, some of the man them have struggled to collect what is due unto them, how things...
No, man, I collect what is to me.
So royalties and publishing balance?
Yeah, man, you have to deal with your thing, but there's some things in the past you wish...
It start out.
Yeah, but it never, and so you have to...
Like somebody write a script.
Yeah, man, but you can't do nothing about that again. I don't say you can't, but you never want...
You know, but I put
you just leave that alone. Leave that to the Almighty. Yeah, man, I will say, man, because God really know, more times a man feel like they get her from man. You can't hide from man, but not your conscience. Yeah, man.
Frankie Sly and any artist in the business will have any lyrical few differences, disagreement?
No, sir.
No.
Because my thing different, you know, most of them know, sir. My thing, man, I really bring certain things to me still, from a long time still.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
And we just hold it down low profile. I love seeing me, you know what I mean?
For the Frankie Sly fan them out there, where I wonder, where you been, brother? What you have to tell them?
Where have I been?
Yeah, what go on, all is well.
Yeah, man, I would say, see, we have life, we have health and strength. When I dead, no dash way. That's the reality of it. When I dead, no dash way.
True that.
I always remember that.
True that.
See it? And we still make music. I send you a recent song, you hear it.
Yeah,
We still do it.
What's your favorite rhythm?
Favorite rhythm?
Yeah, the some of the big rhythm.
Probably Punani, you know. Probably Punani. Probably is a tie between Punani and Showtime. But
Showtime.
probably Punani.
Yeah. Bigger boss. Is there anything else we not talk about where you think the people that need for you? Because I don't know all things that make you do some research, but you know what I think? I think we
cover all the base, man. We cover all the base, man.
Yeah.
We cover all the base, man. Cover all the base. Yeah, man. Cover all the base, man.
What's your favorite DJ? Tell me that.
My favorite DJ of all times?
Yes, man.
Favorite DJ all times? Probably a split between Papa San and Early B, the Doctor.
Oh, yeah, you tell me that them man the influence of the show.
Yeah, man.
A good choice, ain't it, brother?
Yeah, man. Probably.
Lyrical genius.
Probably Early B.
And the Doctor.
Yeah, man. How we ask man? Yeah, man. Probably one of them two DJ there. The Doctor.
Brother.
Or Papa San, you know?
Go on do it together.
Still I do it, you know, teach him.
It's a joy, man.
Yeah, man. From breathing out the body, we still have to do it.
Yeah, brother, I learned some things that we never do, you know?
Yeah, man.
That's always a joy. That's what I think I enjoy with the interview.
Yeah, man.
Like, I learn some things sometimes. I say, yeah, I saw that, and them interview, you kind of connect some of the dots with some other things.
Yeah,
so when I go in our next interview, I say, oh, yeah.
You're more prepared.
Yeah, man. I hear that it's already, you know, so boom. So we appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. And what I appreciate too is that you've been a link me from way out.
Yeah, man. Become a light of
even though you come and you still may not get me, but I saw you think of sometimes, but
I understand that.
Try to get
I understand that. Man. So I say, but I know, say, there's things we can sit down and talk about.
Everything happens for a reason, man.
Yeah, man.
Time and everything.
Yeah, man.
Go and do the thing, bro. I would there, you know. If anything, you just say, you understand what I say?
Yeah, man.
And you put it on camera. As me tell you off camera, we anyone that the man will fall in love with music first. I know you're virgin.
Yeah, man, my dog, man.
Then love to sit down and reason with anyone that one day. That's all me ask you for them, brother, nothing else.
All right, sir. All right. Consider it done.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
All man, I'm boss, you know? Teach them. I want big up two of your authentic fan them. Andrea Brooks. Big up yourself, Andrea. You always as a Frankie Sly. You have to sit down with teach them. Well, guess what? We just sit down with teach them. So I big up Andrea. Saying, Vial, all cause. Yeah, man, you know, teach them a your thing. Have to big you up too. Vial, see it there? With up and teach them. Alias bad boy, Frankie Sly, Jenny Bally, that over there. Big up yourself, teach them. Vial, Andrea, big up on yourself. Teach them the love for soul. Them boy the cool. I try set way up forget some money and gold. Them a beat for soul. Fire for them soul. We can't do them nothing true with the pot. Teach them we shot for soul. Them boy the cool. I try set way up forget to guns and we gold. Some big for soul. Fire for them soul. We must kill them off a door with the pamperol. Them a seek through them all know we secret. And a plan figure station and go leak it. If them know where the stash, then them would have thief it. But I through them can't find where teach them keep it now. The faster them a move like snake. And from long time we pick up the rake. Can enough of them a smile and them smile look fake. Teach them the so cool to him you them say. Teach them not give a damn if them hate we. After we not 2 and them first soul rate we. Think so we are fool for make some idiot come bait we. Right now our money we a make and go through. Tell them say and not no big if them hate we. Cause when I press for them first soul rate we. Mood a want even couple rich girl come date we. Teach them a make cha. Teach them. The first of them a slipping up. Have it pa me hipping up. Whole heap of extra clipping up. Box all a tipping up. Strictly rubber gripping up. For bust up all them lipping up. Now make we have to dig up a sextant. Teach them a push a new skating up. Boy a play a hating up. We sister them a the baiting up. Wait with us a waiting up. Dying for buck them lating up. Trying to test a fating up. Now make we have to dig up with 6 pants. Last night to point up in a him facing up. Drape him in a him wasting up. Think him would a defend it. A trace the boy a tracing up. Ready for him casing up. But all in place, you know. Now make we have to dig up with 6 months. I'm tell them, say, this teach them, I say, on a better run. We hear say that them love to flip up on them troublesome. And all a point to pierce them body like a bubble gum. Make them mama come at them 9 night, come near and fish and bun. Teach them. The message still a reach them, you know.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.